Hey everybody, I am back now with my first pair of Jimmy Choo shoes, also from our recent trip to LA. So as I was mentioning with Lucia's unboxing, it looks like Jimmy Choo has a dust bag separately, so it's the very first thing that you see when you start to unfold the paper here. So I got the Brewer style in black Broken Star nubuck leather. So let me go and take the other shoe out. So the first thing I noticed is that these shoes didn't come in any sort of bag at all. And the Louboutins I'm used to, of course, each shoe comes in its own dust bag typically, or together in one single large dust bag. With Lucia's Jimmy Choos, hers came in two separate plastic bags, and in these shoes that I just unboxed, they were not in any sort of bag at all. So, I find that very interesting. I definitely prefer the Louboutin's way of doing it, where each shoe is in its own dust bag. It just looks a little bit nicer and gives it that bit of extra protection. So let's go ahead and get into the shoes themselves. So I got this for the really classic look. I like darker colored shoes, so black or a dark brown was a good choice. I obviously chose the black. They have silver hardware as well, just for a little bit of decoration. And with the nubuck leather, it's also very flexible, so it's not like a stiff, sturdy leather like a patent leather. It's definitely very, very supple, as you can see with me moving my fingers both outside and inside of the shoe. I do like the little pattern that they have in here as well. Jimmy Choo calls this the Broken Star pattern. It looks interesting and gives the shoe a little bit more character. That pattern is repeated around the sides of the shoe. And the shoe is also very, very soft. So it has a nice soft textured feel to it. And it also comes in a variety of colors. My sales associate actually said that he owns this pair of shoe in every color that they come in. So, I guess he definitely really likes them. I like them as well. They were very comfortable when I was trying them on. And the sales associate also said that he has so many pairs because he likes to wear them every day, and they're a good daily walking shoe. So I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these on a regular basis and just comparing them to my Louboutin spike socks, which I've been wearing every day for the past few months, and we'll see which one I like better. So the other thing I'll mention about these shoes is the soles. So you see that it comes in 4 different pieces here, and each of the pieces has a nice groove, a nice textured grip to it. So I definitely wouldn't wear these out in the snow or the ice, but I think if there was a little bit of rain on the ground, that would certainly not be a problem in these shoes. So these shoes I was able to purchase on a sale for $390. I believe that was 40% off. So I will wear these once the weather warms up a little bit and let you know how I think of them and how they compare to the Louboutin spike socks. Thanks for watching, and please leave any comments or questions down below in the comment section. Thanks.